In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple progress bar. We're going to do this in Google Sheets, and the process is quick and beginner-friendly. If you want a simple visual way to show progress, like percentages, completion status, or performance tracking, a progress bar can make your spreadsheet much easier to read at a glance. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new sheet, or use one you already have. Once you are in the spreadsheet, enter your data. You'll want to make sure the value you want to turn into a progress bar is already in a cell. In this example, the formula will reference cell C2. So that means your progress value should be placed there. Typically, this would be a number representing a percentage or a value out of 100. After your data is in place, click on the cell where you want the progress bar to appear. Then type this formula carefully is equals to sparklines 2. Char type, bar, max. 100, color 1. Green Fay. This formula uses the sparkline function to create a mini chart directly inside a cell. In this case, it creates a bar-style chart based on the value in C2. The chart type setting tells Google Sheets that you want a bar. The max value of 100 means the full bar represents 100. So if C2 contains 50, the bar will appear half full. The color 1 setting changes the bar color to green, which is a clean and common choice for progress tracking. Make sure you type the formula exactly and use the correct punctuation. Even a small typo, like a missing quotation mark or comma, can stop it from working properly. If your spreadsheet uses different regional settings, you may need semicolons instead of commas in certain parts of the formula. But the general structure stays the same. Once you press enter, the progress bar should appear immediately in the cell. If you want, you can drag the formula down to apply it to more rows. As long as your reference cells update accordingly, that makes this especially useful for tracking multiple tasks or entries in the same sheet. And that's all it takes to create a simple progress bar in Google Sheets. It's a small feature, but it can make your data much more visual and easier to understand. Thanks for watching.